What's up, guys? Back again. I got that all straightened out and this back on here. Still need to get them tightened up, but whatever. It's basically, that's the installation. It's not too tough. That one more 8mm bolt I didn't get off yet. So my stuff's at work, but get it off tomorrow. Put up another video when I'm bleeding all the brakes out and it's done. Tell you how it feels. It should be stiffer, I would think, without this big bathtub of extra brake fluid. You know what I mean? You're minimizing how much fluid you have and making it a little tighter, I would think. Guess we'll see. Anyway, it makes it easier to lock them up if you want to swing them out. I think that's the point of this. And that these aren't replaceable too. It helps you if you're stuck right now. Put a used one in there, it's only going to last so long. This thing is leaking everywhere. As you can see, all the rags I had in there before. Still got a couple left, but yeah, it's causing rust. So I'm going to clean up quick and not let it get out of control. Anyway, talk to you guys soon.